Total station surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, are highly skilled professionals who play a crucial role in the field of land surveying and mapping. They utilize advanced technology and equipment, such as total stations, to accurately measure and record various data points on the land. Total stations are electronic devices that combine the functions of a theodolite and an electronic distance meter. These devices enable surveyors to measure angles and distances with a high level of precision. In Jaewar, Noida, total station surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid development and expansion of the area. As new construction projects emerge, it becomes necessary to accurately survey and map the land before any construction work can begin. Total station surveyors are responsible for creating detailed topographic maps, determining property boundaries, and establishing control points for future reference. Their work is essential in ensuring that construction projects are built on the right site and according to the required specifications. One of the key advantages of using total station surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, is the accuracy and efficiency they bring to the field of land surveying. With the help of total stations, surveyors can quickly and accurately measure angles and distances, saving both time and effort. This allows for more efficient completion of land surveys, which is particularly crucial in urban areas like Noida, where land is limited and valuable. Another benefit of using total station surveyors is their ability to collect a large amount of data in a short period of time. This data can then be processed and analyzed to create comprehensive maps and reports. The use of total stations also eliminates the need for manual calculations, reducing the chances of human error and ensuring more reliable results. In the field of land surveying and mapping, total station surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, are highly qualified experts who play a significant role. They make use of cutting-edge tools and technology, like as total stations, to precisely measure and document different data points on the ground. It becomes increasingly important to accurately survey and map the land when new development projects are developed before any construction activity can start. Total station surveyors are in charge of producing comprehensive. In the field of land surveying and mapping, total station surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, are highly qualified experts who play a significant role. They make use of cutting-edge tools and technology, like as total stations, to precisely measure and document different data points on the ground. Total stations are electrical gadgets that combine a theodolite's and an electronic distance meter's capabilities. Surveyors can measure angles and distances with extreme accuracy, thanks to these tools. Total station surveyors are highly sought after in Jaewar, Noida, as a result of the region's tremendous growth and expansion. It becomes increasingly important to accurately survey and map the land when new development projects are developed before any construction activity can start. Total station surveyors are in charge of producing comprehensive. In conclusion, total station surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, play a vital role in the field of land surveying. Their expertise